I walk alone, I walk alone.
Good morning, welcome to the Sup Shack. Here we are in the beautiful Santa Cruz Harbor. We are right down by the water, so getting to the water is super easy for all of our customers. We have boogie boards, we have stand-up paddle boards, we have kayaks. We teach everybody how to stand up easily and conveniently on the Santa Cruz water, and you get possibly the best experience in the Santa Cruz Harbor.